make way for a whole new solution to spills. Brady SPC introduces the HandySorb Mop System, featuring an innovative snap, absorb, and release design that helps with quick cleanup and keeps your hands out of the mess. Extending up to 6 feet, its hard-working handle helps you get to areas you can't reach. No more kneeling in slippery spills or other dangerous situations. And the patented quick-release system makes disposal of used pads simple. No mess to touch. There are a variety of sorbent options to meet your needs, including no-touch pads, no-touch pillows, and basic pad refills with mop adapter. Let the HandySorb Mop System take on your spills, an ideal spill cleanup solution to complete your workplace sorbent toolkit.